Welcome back to Technologies. In this video, I am going to teach you about Riot Vanguard. What is Riot Vanguard? It happens that is like a small operating system that the Love and Left of Legends games have. This allows you play in the game in addition. Will collect data, but this is necessary so that the game can be run. Yes. Can install, yes, you can uninstall it, but you will not be able to play this requirement since this game and from Riot Games. Okay, this allows you to identify if you are doing cheat in the game, and this is a way to play legally together with the other people. If you have any problem, you don't have it to save Riot on Vanguard. It doesn't tell you the information, it's just going to be an execute of the game. That will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our Technologies.